Daewoo Pakistan Express Bus Service is the largest bus service company in Pakistan. We are the pioneers in Pakistan to introduce the modern bus service. We were the first one who purchased the Yutong buses for our city bus operation in Lahore. It was a wonderful and very successful experience, and still we are operating these buses in Lahore city as a city bus service. After 1 million, we are very much satisfied with the working, with the performance of the buses. The best part of Yutong Master is the after-sale services. Yutong Master always welcome us, and the team is 24/7 available. If we face any technical major issues, Yutong Master help us out of the box. Yutong Masters helped us for the skill development of our workshop force. So we experience quarterly basis and need basis trainings from Yutong Master. Drivers are very much comfortable with the bus. The bus technology is up to the mark and very easy to drive. Passengers are also very much happy. So passengers receive a comfortable journey in Yutong buses. Fuel efficiency of Yutong Master buses are very impressive. We are very much satisfied. Inshallah, for our future projects, we will consider the Yutong buses as our top priority. We love you, Yutong Master.
We love Yutong Master.
We love Yutong Master.
We love Yutong Master.